Well, hello everybody and welcome to a whole weekend of a vlog.
Hello there.
We've got a noisy little monkey in the back there. And we are currently on our way to the Cotswolds this weekend. Riv, you're making this quite difficult, my friend. She's singing. We're on our way to
Bar, twinkle, twinkle,
the
little
big
star.
Feastival. Bar, twinkle, twinkle.
That's what she's singing.
We're on our way to the big Feastival, which if you guys, I'll take my sunglasses off. If you guys... Pretty good, Riv! She's been quiet the whole journey until now. Anyway, so we're on our way to the big Feastival, which is in the Cotswolds. We're going with Joules. We're very excited. Joules have kitted us out with festival essentials. River's clearly having a great time already. Are we mad going to a festival with a toddler? I'm not entirely sure. I think it's going to be fun. I'm optimistic. My sister's going to be there as well. We're meeting up with my sister and her kids. And I'm so excited. That's all for now. Oh, also, today is the day that Taylor Swift's album's come out.
I was going to say, I'm amazed you even turned it down.
Got my t-shirt. I turned it down because of copyright. She might sue me, but I love her anyway. I've got my "You Need to Calm Down" t-shirt on. Represent. I'm that much of a geek. It's amazing. Bye-bye. We've checked into our yurt. Someone is very excited. Ah! Where's Daddy gone? He's gone to get the bags. Where is he? Off he limps. Sir Limp-a-Lot. So we've found the gang. Hannah's arrived. Lulu's here. Spike and Mike, and we're being serenaded with Bar Black Sheep yet again by Riv. And we're heading to find some food, which hopefully, being called a big Feastival, you'd hope there might be some food. Just a little, all the food. The one downside, it turns out, to bringing a toddler to a festival, trying to get nap time in, pretty difficult. So now she's really tired and really grumpy. We're going to watch Lewis Capaldi. We're a bit late. That's how it rolls with kiddos. Such a nice night. Dad of the Year award goes to MDF. It's bedtime in the yurt. Bedtime in the yurt. Look how cozy it looks. I am so excited to sleep in here tonight. I'm just hoping that River doesn't realise that we're there when she's there, because she'd not be very happy about that, and she will be running around. We need to make sure everything's hung up as well, because she'll wake up in the morning and trash the joint. Well, hello there guys. Good morning from our first day after camping. Not gonna lie, it was pretty cold last night, but
it's not cold now.
River is now asleep. We've had a little bit of a dramatic morning. She fell over and hit her head on the bed and has a huge bruise on her cheek. This happened when you were looking after her. I was in the loo, so I'm blaming you. It looks like child abuse. It's not, I promise you. And we're now coming to try and win some piece of tat. Lulu was adamant that she wanted to come to the Coconut Shy. Haven't done this since I was maybe Lulu's age. Mike is now determined, because Dan couldn't hit it, that he can hit it. It's not gonna happen, Bull. It's not gonna happen. I never thought I'd be at a festival watching Peppa Pig on the main stage.
Oh my goodness! Hello Peppa, give her a big round of applause, boys and girls! Hello Peppa, how's it going? Are you excited to be here? You are? Excellent!
Eating these for the second day in a row for lunch, chicken baos, so good! Spike, in case you can't see, is halfway up this tree. We just queued for like a long time to do tree climbing, but he's making the most of it. looks far too difficult for me. River's trying to steal Mike's bow. So spicy, she doesn't like it. We're currently dying of heat. It is so hot today. I think it's like 30 degrees. River's decided she doesn't want to go down for a nap, but she wants to play with her buggy. Mike and I are here trying not to fall asleep in the sunshine. Well, we're actually in the shade. We're in like the one patch of shade.
No, you're not much in the shade.
No, I'm like half in the shade. Oh, it's so hot. I'm melting. I need a drink. A strong one. We're in the backstage bar, fancy, right now, watching the Zootons, but we can't watch because this one, rock and roll. She's got her ear defenders on.
She's like, no more noise. No more noise.
No more noise. Block it out.
Block it out.
I've got a new favourite person, new girl crush.
Can I
She's
just point out
amazing.
As much
Mike
as
had to stay with River.
So whilst I stay with River, is that I then went to the toilet, and next coming up on stage is Grandmaster Flash, and you probably won't know who that is, but if you watch Shaun of the Dead, Simon Pegg just walked straight past me in the toilets, and I was like, okay. At what point I wish I'd have gone dubba 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 dubba. Okay, thanks Mike. But in other news, Nina Nesbitt was amazing, and River is still asleep. She's fallen asleep with her ear defenders on, and basically, I don't think she's ever waking up. Look at this. Yes, snoozy, snoozy, snoozy. We've got some gyoza for dinner and sweet potato, curry sauce, Tokyo fries. I mean, best combination ever. These two, munching away. Chippies. Morning guys, Sunday morning now. It's our final morning waking up in the year, or it's only our second morning. We're actually not staying tonight, we're going back because we've got to get back for the dogs, but we're staying for the rest of the day. And I just want to show you the mess that has become our yurt, because River likes to wake up in the morning and just trash stuff around us. So yeah, the cleanup begins. Our final day here. Yesterday was so awesome. And in case you're wondering where everybody is, Mike's in the shower and River's next door with Spike and Lulu. She's had, I think, probably her favourite weekend ever. Just, she loves her cousins so much. It's the sweetest thing to see. So yeah, tidy up time. So we have lost the boys. The boys have gone for a massage, and me and Han and the kids are sitting here enjoying a bit of a Bloody Mary at 10 o'clock in the morning. Casual. River's asleep. Relaxing. Somehow more relaxing when the boys aren't here. Funny that. Who's this guy? He's trying to eat your boots. We're having a mega picnic. Everyone's eating different stuff, but this is the best. Crab, fries. Hell yeah, and lobster roll. Riv's just having a bit of everything. Bit of everything. And what have you got your hand in? Olive. Yeah. What have you got, Riv? Strawberries everywhere. Strawberries everywhere. This little one is having kind of a lot of fun with her ice lolly. Right, the buggy is packed up. Too ready. I'm so hot, can't even talk. It's like 30, it actually is 30 degrees. We're just saying goodbye. This is Hannah and Dan's yurt. I love their creative technique. River's getting a full-on outfit change because she got strawberry everywhere. And we're heading home. It's actually been so much fun. I was really not sure about how a festival would go with a toddler, but River has just loved every second of it, and it's been awesome. We'd definitely come back. Would you come back, Mike? I would, yes.
The food has been amazing as well. It's another highlight of mine. And what else has been a highlight? Nina Nesbitt, definitely a highlight. Mike liked the Zootons. I didn't get to watch the
Fun Loving
Teutons because
Criminals.
I was the Fun Loving Criminals, yeah, obviously.
You did see a little bit of these ones, didn't you?
I saw like half a song. Should we go?
Let's go!
Time to go to the car. Come on, everybody. Hey guys, so we are now home. We actually came home a little bit early because it was so hot today. Riv's chatting away. It was so hot today that we just got all really crazy overheated. So we came for a swim, and then Riv and I hopped in the bath and had a really good wash. I actually really like how my hair dries when it dries in the heat. It never dries like this normally. This is like my holiday hair, although the ends are still wet. But yeah, I feel like I would leave my hair to dry naturally if it dried like this every day, but sadly we don't normally have those temperatures. But we had such a good time. We're currently getting ready for bed, listening to Fun Loving Criminals and just chilling out. We're all so tired, but we all had the best time. I can't believe how good River was camping. Like, I know it wasn't proper camping in the yurt, but still, it was like cold at night, it was outside. It was different from her normal environment, and she was just awesome. She was so good all weekend. She loves spending time with Spike and Lulu, so that, I've got my hair stuck in my earring. This is not a good situation. What's going on? Hello? Should we go and play before bedtime? I've got a little friend here. Yes, I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for joining us. And a big thanks to Joules for sending us to the big Feastival. We had the best time. Like, I 100% will be going back to a family festival again. Like, I wasn't sure whether it was really our kind of thing before we went, because it's like, I just thought it would be really hard work, but it was so much fun. I'll see you guys soon. Head, shoulders, knees and toes time.